Good morning to all. In this lecture we will see how to convert the given Mealy machine into its equivalent Murray machine. In previous video we have seen how to convert the Murray machine into its equivalent Mealy machine. Now here the reverse part is there. Input is the Mealy machine and output machine expected is the Murray machine. Now let's see this with the help of one example. Example 1. Convert given Mealy machine into its equivalent Mealy machine. Transition diagram is given. Q0 oblique A, Q1 oblique, this is the Mealy machine, Q0, and here it is only Q1. Q0, Q1, then incoming transitions are 0 oblique A, 1 oblique B, 1 oblique B, 0 oblique A. Okay, this is the transition diagram of given Mealy machine. Okay, now here we know that Mealy machine, here the output mapping function is associated with the transition. Here output mapping function is associated with a state. So we have to consider all the transitions one by one and convert that into the convert to output symbol of those transitions over the states. Then Q0, Q1. Here in the conversion the number of states may be equal or may vary. Then how to convert this one? Now we have to go state by state. Let's consider the state Q0. Then next we have to see all the incoming transition coming towards the Q0. Now incoming transitions are here. This is one incoming transition. This is another incoming transitions. Okay. Now we have to identify all the output symbols associated with all incoming transition towards the state Q0. Now for the state Q0 there are two incoming transitions, and for this out of these two incoming transitions, one, this has the output symbol A and this transition has the output symbol B. Okay, whatever number of this output symbols are there, those number of copies we need to create for the given state. Remember this one. So distinct states will be there for the equal number of output symbols coming towards the Q0. So Q0, two incoming transitions, output symbol is here A, output symbol is here B. So we need to create two copies of Q0. Now how to show that one? Okay, for state Q0, as there are two output symbols associated, so we need to create two copies of state Q0 in a equivalent Murray machine. Now how to label that one? Let's consider this Q0 oblique A for output symbol A, and as Q0 oblique B for the output symbol B. Now let's draw here two states. Consider this as a first copy, Q0 oblique A, Q0 oblique B. Okay. Now how to show the transitions? Okay. For showing the transition, first consider all the incoming outgoing transitions. Okay. Now here the, as we haven't yet processed the Q1, draw the Q1 as it is. Okay, whatever the incoming edges are there, okay, which are not associated with this one. Okay, this one. Now only incoming edges. Now this is the another incoming edge, right? But here it is associated with a Q0. Okay, now we have to see, as we know that there are, we created the two copies of Q0, so we have to draw this transition from both copies. Whatever number of, if the source has a copies, whatever copies are we created of a source state, from all those copies we have to draw the transition towards the next state. Now this is the Q1, this is the incoming transitions towards Q1, but here source is Q0. We have created the two copies of Q0, Q0 of oblique A, Q0 oblique B. Okay, so we need to create this one, we need to outgo this one from both copies towards the state Q1. Okay, so draw that one without changing the label, 1 oblique B, 1 oblique B. Okay, this part we have finished about the outgoing transition, about the remaining states. Okay, then Q0, now we have to mark the incoming edges of this one. Okay, now incoming edges, this 1 and 2. Now let's consider this first. Okay, this is case 1, which is a whose source is the different one. Now this transition is coming from Q1 to Q0. Q1 has not yet processed. Okay, so it will come from Q1, it will come from Q1, but which copy it will go of a Q0? It will go to that copy of Q0 whose output is given here, whose output is given here. Now here output is given B, so this transition will be there from Q1 to that copy of Q0 whose output is B. So draw that one. We know that this is the copy associated with output symbol B. Okay, so this one, and just write the input symbol without the output symbol. Done. Then see this one, another incoming transition. Here the source is Q0. See, this is the case 2. Source is Q0 and next state is also the Q0. Okay, now what is in this case? Here we have to, that means this is originated from Q0, so that means we have created the two copies of Q0, so it will be originated from both. Okay, it will be originated from both state out. Then where it will be go, it is shown here. The next state is Q0 and whose output is A, so this will be originated and will reach to the copy of Q0 whose output is A, label will be 0. यहाँ से भी हमें draw करना है from another copy of Q0 and it will go to that copy of Q0 whose output is A, This way we converted the self loop. Okay, whatever number, if the source has a more than one copies, from all those copies we need to take we have to show the outgoing transitions, and it will go to that state whose output is associated with given in output symbol. Then next is, this way we process the Q0 state. You can mark any state as a start here, this or this one. Okay, there will be no change in that one. Then now in the next step we will process the state Q1. Okay, now see here all the incoming edges of Q1, then how many incoming edges are? 1, 2, 3 incoming edges. Now get the output symbol associated with all incoming transitions. Here output symbol is shown A, here and here output symbol is shown as a B. That means again two output symbols are here. So whatever number of output symbols are there for the outgoing incoming transitions, those number of copies we need to create for the given state. So here again we need to create the two copies of Q1. So Q1 oblique A for A output symbol, q1 oblique b for the b output symbols. Okay, so let's convert this into, I think I should cover here that part. Okay, I will draw in small okay, it will be easy to understand. Okay, I will draw this here only. Okay, I will draw first q0, then we q0 oblique a, q0 oblique b. Now what is here? We need to create the two copies of q1 oblique a, q1 oblique b, right? Now here this one, draw the whatever possible transitions you can draw for the previous state or the other states. Okay, draw that one as it, this one, this is the converted one, this one is also converted, so draw as it is, just we have converted that one. Okay, which are not associated with a q1, draw this one. Okay, now we have draw this and this one also. Okay, now just now process the q1 state. Now we created the two copies of q1 oblique a, q1 oblique b. Okay, now see the incoming transitions. Okay, and its source state. Now if you consider this one, this transition 1 oblique b, now this comes from the q0 oblique 1, so source is q0 oblique a, q0 oblique a. Now it will go to which state of q1? It will go to the that copy of q1 whose output is b. Okay, it will be originated from q0, but it will go to the state, that state of q1 whose output is b. So draw that one. We know that here we created the copy of q1 for the output symbol b. So draw this one. This one is over. Similarly you can complete this one. Okay, now it is coming from q0 oblique b and reaching towards the q1 whose copy is b. 1, done. Then this one, before that one let's see this one. Now here we already converted in the previous step, but here now the source state we created in the two copies has been created now. Okay, q1 oblique a and q1 oblique b. So this will be originated from both copies of q1 and will reach to the q0 oblique b, will reach to the q0 oblique b. So draw that one. This is one copy, q0 oblique b 1, and this is so we have drawn it from both copies of source state towards the state q0 oblique b. Now we have finished this one. Now let's see this one. Okay, q0 oblique a. Okay, q0 oblique a, this is the self loop, so we have to process in the same way as we have processed this one. Okay, this self loop. Now let's see how to process it again. Okay, source is q1, two copies are there,